Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho.
Never imagine that the person sitting at the back, the one I study with and shared ordinary days with, would someday become the person I would marry.
The person who would change my life forever. Di ko kalain na yung pangasar ko sa'yo ay magkakaroon ng something deep and lasting.
Patiently waited for me until I'm ready to give my heart to you. Yung ating inspirasyon ng isa't isa at ang goal was makagraduate. And we made it.
Handa na ikaw ay magkasama sa hirap at ginawa, sa bukas at walang hanggan. Handa na maging iyong tahanan, lumuha o tumawa, yayakapin hahagkan. Oh, ang dami kong gustong gawin sa tuwing ika'y kapiling. Sigurado na ako sa'yo, ako'y handa.
Siyempre masaya kasi ang dami na namin pinagdaanan eh. Paliti nila talaga nakapupit kami sa ganito, di ba?
Ito ang aking pangako.
Wow! Thank you, darling! Ganda ng relo.
To be your best friend, to be there until the end. Sa'yo lang ako, walang duda. Handa na ikaw ay magkasama sa hirap at ginawa, sa bukas at walang hanggan. Handa na maging iyong tahanan, lumuha o tumawa, yayakapin hahagkan. Oh, ang dami kong gustong gawin sa tuwing ika'y kapiling. Sigurado na ako sa'yo, ako'y handa na. Handa na.
Today, after 10 wonderful years, I promise to keep choosing you. To keep dancing with you through every season of our lives. No matter the song of that or tempo. You are my heart, my partner, and my forever dance.
Congrats, babe!
Matatapos na din.
Yung kapatid ko. Hindi man perfect pang relasyon natin, pero pinagtitibay tayo ng kanan. And I just want to thank you. Thank you for loving me so deeply and unconditionally. You embrace my flaws and celebrate my strength. Your love makes me understand even in my worst. You choose to stay and give everything that you think you can because you know that I deserve it.
It was through our shared love for dancing that we truly connected. Two souls moving in sync, not just in the dance floor, but in life.
Iyong mga kamay hanggang hangong magaat, ang hapo'y mamatay, tatapusin natin ang pagsikat ng araw.
Siyempre, we faced challenges, celebrated victories, and created memories that I'll forever cherish.
a lifetime of inside jokes, messy mornings, adventures, and holding hands even for wrinkly and gay.
Iyong mga kamay hanggang
I love you and I will always love you until our last breath. I am yours completely now and forever.
pagsikat ng araw hanggang wala nang matanaw. Mahal kundi ikaw.
Jamil, you may now kiss Ella Joyce.